Now we're gonna discuss the idea of disposal of polymers. Polymers such as polyethylene and polypropylene here, they are some examples of polymers, and as you can see, they represent a very long chain of polymers. Such polymers, they are not biodegradable. They can't degrade easily in nature because they are basically long-chain alkane molecules, as you can see here. Alkanes are unreactive because they have only strong nonpolar carbon-hydrogen and carbon-carbon bonds. There is nothing in the natural environment that can easily break them down. That's why they cause problems for wildlife, for example, like you see here in this picture, where the turtle is about to die because all of the kind of polymers around it, like these polyesters and these plastic bottles that are surrounding it, and they might cause it to die. Polyethylene and polypropylene, which are examples of polyalkenes, they also can be burnt. They can burn into carbon dioxide and water, and although poisonous carbon monoxide may be released into the atmosphere. Condensation polymers are like polyesters and polyamides. So, polymers like polyesters and polyamides, they can be broken down by the hydrolysis process, and they are potentially biodegradable. By the reverse of polymerization reaction, we have to force this reaction. As you can see here below, the reaction below shows the hydrolysis of a polyamide such as nylon. However, this reaction is so slow under everyday conditions that you don't need to worry about your nylon umbrella depolymerizing in the rain. So such reactions of hydrolysis of nylon, for example, it's very slow. We need to put it under certain conditions in order to degrade it down.